Welcome back. I'm so glad you're here again. Today, we're diving into the heart of budgeting, creating a family budget that works for you. This is where we bring together everything we talked about in our introduction to build a clear, structured plan that helps you stay on track and feel more in control of your finances. With each step, we'll be making choices that align with what matters most to you and your loved ones. To begin, let's gather all of our financial information. Start with your income, which is all the money that comes into your household each month. This could include your salary, any side jobs, government benefits, or other income sources. It's helpful to look back at recent paychecks or bank statements to get a good estimate of what you're working with. Knowing your total income gives you a realistic starting point for planning how much you can allocate to different areas. Next, let's look at expenses. Think about the essentials that your family relies on each month: housing, utilities, food, transportation, and any other fixed expenses like insurance. It's helpful to list each one individually to see how much of your income goes toward these necessary costs. Then, move on to other spending, like entertainment, dining out, or hobbies. Tracking these expenses over a month or two can give you a clear picture of your family's spending habits and where adjustments might be made. Now, let's divide these expenses into two main categories: needs and wants. Needs are the essentials, like rent, food, and healthcare. Wants are things that aren't strictly necessary but bring joy or comfort, like a meal out or a family movie night. This distinction helps you prioritize spending and identify areas where you could cut back if needed, which is especially helpful during tight months. With your income and expenses laid out, it's time to set your budget. Look at each category and determine an amount that feels realistic based on your monthly income and priorities. Be sure to include a line for savings, even if it's a small amount. Saving is a crucial part of building financial stability, as it creates a cushion for emergencies and helps you work toward long-term goals, like a family vacation or college fund. As you bring this budget to life, involve the family in the process. Talk to your partner, kids, or anyone else contributing to household expenses, and let them know the family's financial goals. Encouraging everyone to be mindful about spending can foster teamwork and mutual respect. You can even make it fun by setting family goals, like saving for a trip or a special outing, and celebrating together when you reach that goal. Creating a budget is about setting yourself up for success, not just about restrictions. Remember that this budget is a flexible plan. It can be adjusted as things change in your life. If you find that an area needs more or less attention, you can revisit and tweak your budget to better reflect your current situation. Thank you for taking this time to build a solid foundation for your family's finances. I hope you feel empowered knowing that you have a plan that fits your unique needs. Until next time, keep up the great work, and remember, every step you take brings you closer to financial peace and security. Take care, and see you soon.